Hello, this is Roland Enz from Enzo Seasonings. Today I'd like to just bring you an update on what's happening with our company. Our seasoning, Enzo's Cattleman's Choice, has become our #1 seasoning, and it's primarily used as a steak seasoning, but it's used for anything that requires salt, pepper, and garlic. It is extremely powerful, so my suggestion is that you start off slowly and build up to the level that you require for your seasoning needs. Also, I wanted to bring everybody abreast of what's taking place with our dealer network. We have 17 new dealers from Sacramento all the way down to Merced and soon going into Fresno. We are expanding our dealer network and we're going to go all the way into the Bay Area shortly. So remember, EnzoSeasonings.com, and thank you for watching.